Hi, it's Matt with TomatoMilling.com. Today we're going to talk to you about the Champion Juicer. Now you might be wondering, well, why do you have a juicer on TomatoMilling.com? I thought this was a site that specialized in tomato milling machines. The reason we have this is it fits a very specific need. It is a juicer that also has the ability to be a tomato milling machine, and it also has the ability to be a berry milling machine. We've had a lot of requests from customers that want to produce berries through a tomato milling machine. Standard tomato milling machines have holes that are too big and will allow the berry seeds through. This juicer can be used to process berries without getting the seeds. Let me show you a little bit more about this machine. First, we'll talk about the screens. There's two that come with the unit: the juicing screen and the blank plate. This is completely different from juicing something. It blocks it from juicing it at all. It's if you want to trap all the food in there and make a puree out of your fruits and vegetables. Secondly, you have your juicing screen. This juicing screen is great for berries, as I talked about earlier. A lot of people want to produce berries and tomatoes to make different types of jams. This is an ideal screen to capture those fine berry seeds that are hard to trap otherwise. Also available, you have a large hole screen. The large hole screen is not quite the tomato screen yet. This is a screen that if you want, let's say, an orange juice with a little bit more pulp in it, you can use this. So this screen, really the purpose is for juicing. Lastly, you have the tomato screen. The tomato screen has holes that are 2 millimeter, the same as all our other standard tomato milling holes. This matches up with the Fabio Leonardi and the Omra machines, and also the Squeezo. This will produce the tomato results that you're looking for out of a standard tomato milling machine. Another thing we like to point out is the spiral. You'll notice it's not really just a spiral, it has blades on it. This is much different from tomato milling machines. Tomato milling machines are sometimes called tomato pressers. The reason they're tomato pressers is the spiral gets narrower and narrower against the screen, squeezing the tomato and wringing it out. This works a little different. This, as these blades turn, chops up the tomato. It then presses it against the screen and juices it. Both give the same type of result, it's just a different action of getting to that result. The tomato, fruit, and vegetable attachment that the vegetables and fruit pass through when they're being squeezed is kind of unique. From the outside, it would look like it's entirely made of plastic. But once you look inside, it is actually lined with stainless steel. This is where the blades are going to be pressing against, and this actually adds to the ability to chop up the tomato or other vegetables and fruits and process them through the screen. To change out screens is extremely simple. You put the screen you want on the bottom of the attachment and you slide the base on. One thing you're going to notice is this magnet right here. This is actually a safety feature. This magnet must be lined up with a sensor that is inside of the motor. If this magnet is not lined up with the sensor, the motor won't turn on. This ensures that you won't injure yourself with the motor. The motor itself is a metal housing with a powder-coated finish and comes in household and heavy-duty commercial. This one is the heavy-duty commercial. Thank you for watching our video. At TomatoMilling.com, we are dedicated to tomato milling machines. We have parts available for all the machines we carry. We have instructional videos, informational videos, instruction manuals, and a well-educated staff to help you make the right choice for your situation. We have staff that is available 7 days a week. We have phone support. We have live chat. We have email support. However you want to reach us, we're available and we have your answers that you need. Thank you and have a wonderful day.